I'm back. Yeah? You want to be on the camera? Okay. Oh, this is little me. Oh, she started to call. Tell us about your education or trainings. What was your source of income before you went looking for opportunities online? What motivates PTCPat to do good and to keep on pushing? I was living in a homeless shelter. I was just trying everything I could possibly imagine. I had like no money, $100,000 of debt. Do you want to make money? I am the CEO and the founder of Abundance. Hey guys, it's your boy PTCPat, and I thought, well, let's come with an edition where you will get to know me. Who is PTCPat? Who I am, where I come from, and of course, where I'm headed. Who is PTCPat? I am the CEO and the founder of Abundance. I'm a Dutch guy, not much special, positive-minded guy that's been working online for some years now. Well, I can say that I have no education. I have no diplomas. Yeah, I got one diploma, and that is like my swimming diploma, A. So that means that I can go in the grown-up bed. And that's like the only diploma I got. I've done, yeah, a lot of things. I've done construction work. I've done demolition work. I've been a sanitary. I've been a cleaner. I've been a road expedition manager and everything like that. So I've done like so many different things, trying to search for something that would fit me. And most of the times it doesn't fit me because I feel like, yeah, people are taking advantage of you. It was just not my kind of cup of tea. Let's just call it like that. Even when I was working for a boss, I was going crazy, like 40, 60, 80 hours a week, not having a break and just ruining myself. Let's just call it like that. There is so many shit online. There is so many people trying and be lied to, be taken advantage of, being hurt by other people financially or emotionally, because I know from my times online, when somebody was not so nice to me, they lied or a project stopped, it always affected me in my heart, in my emotions, in my head. It was always just difficult, you know. So yeah, what motivates me to do good is that there is so many things online that can be beneficial to the people, and people are just not giving all information, or they are sharing the information and you have to pay for it. It's just, do you want to make money? Now pay me 200 euros and then I'm going to teach you how to make money. That is shit. If I want to teach you how to make money, I say, well, follow me, I'll show you how to make money, and if I make you rich, I'm gonna get a lot of commission. That's how it's supposed to be. That's what I think. Oh, I got a couple of those guys. What triggers me negatively is somebody attacking me on my speech, on my writing, on my, how do you say that, education, that they say, oh yeah, you are, oh look, you don't even pronounce this correctly, or you don't even put like a dot at or a comma, or I don't know, or a capital letter. Let's just say, like, what really triggers me is injustice. And it can be like a small injustice, but like if I make an agreement with somebody, like we're gonna do this, and then they change the agreement, that can really trigger me. A really big part is my wife, because like when I say, like 5.5 years ago, I came to the homeless shelter. I started with building my life up again and saying, well, I'm gonna be a millionaire from crypto. And then my wife was supporting me, and she was, yeah, supporting me also in the beginning financially, because of course she had a job and we had bills, and also a lot emotionally. And yeah, just she's there for me when if I don't believe in myself anymore, she is there to like slap some sense in me. And she said, now you're gonna go and act good again. I can say that the one that has truly pulled me out of my comfort zone, and that has really shown me the skills and given me, like, doing the Zooms, showing my people which way to go and offering the support, has been Martin Karus. He has been amazing. I call him my sensei. He has been guiding me for many years now. He has shown me, we have met in real life multiple times. And he has brought me up as I was doing Zooms for him. He told me, yeah, now make a YouTube channel. I got out of my comfort zone. I made a YouTube channel, meaning that he really has guided me to taking massive steps and evolving myself as to the person that I am today. Now let's talk about how I got started with my online ventures. When I started online, I had like no money, $100,000 of debt, and only a motivation. Like I said, I was living in a homeless shelter. I was just trying everything I could possibly imagine. I was even doing captchas, like trying to make some money. 2018, and I was like, I started with NeoBucks, like with the paid account of NeoBucks. It was really it's stupid, guys. But yeah, let's say like I was NeoBucks. I was clicking. I was making some money. I was paying it out. I was doing PTC was a lot later. I was doing so many different PTCs. I was like 10, 20 different PTC sites, clicking all the ads everywhere, watching it, and then making a little bit of money, making the minimum payout, sending it to another website, making sure that there I'm going to get that views and going to get signups in the other website. It was crazy. It was exhausting, and it didn't pay me shit, I have to say. The years that I work with PTC sites, I've earned like, what would I say? If I'm lucky, $100 or something. It was like, it made me change the way that I was thinking about making money online. I was like, yeah, a little bit years before, I was like, I think I might need to go and make some money from online because I thought it was easy. And then I think like that I started in 5 years ago, something like 2018. Yeah, 2017. I started when everything was skyrocketing. So like I was starting with the Binance, and I was like, oh, I'm going to buy some Bitcoin. I just like put in $300. And it went 600, 700, and oh my god, like I'm magical. Then I was like, I put all my rent money that was still on my bank account, and I put all my rent money in the crypto space. And I was like, it was like then it was 1,400 in total, and it was growing like 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, and it's like, I'm going to be a millionaire tomorrow. I'm a millionaire. And like then came the crash of 2018 in January, and like my 2,300 was going to like 300 or 230 or something. There's so many scams, man. It's been like for years like that. So many scams. Like then I would have found a website, and I was like, oh, this is working. And I was like doing task, and I was like making the minimum payout, and I would get like my minimum payout. And then I was like doing task. And what happens? The second payout you don't get, because it's a scam. They give you the dollar so that you or invest or that you do their task and make their money, and they just don't pay. When I was just starting online, I had no experience with what is a scam, what is a red flag, what is a sustainable project. I just thought like, oh, 120% in a day. Oh, that's a nice one. So yeah, that was like not so correct. Yeah, not so correct. And I've learned a lot how to overcome these challenges. For that, I am very, very grateful for my community, because I've been building it for years, and I've been building from the start with honesty, transparency, showing when I make money, showing when I lose money. I have gotten a lot of haters, marketeers that are working online much longer than me, that they promote themselves as gurus, they promote themselves as mentors, and I always just expose them that they just don't buy their course, don't buy their, don't send them money. They just teach you how to make their money. So yeah, that's like, it gives me a lot of haters and bashes, but I just go put them on block and just go on. I can say that I'm very grateful for my supporting community, that if I'm somewhere and somebody is like bashing me and saying, what the fuck is, what is this? And what is that? Then my people say, well, don't talk like that. Like we take care of each other. So I can say that. And yeah, I can say that most of the times when it's negative, I still respond, because somebody can also just feel shit, have a wrong idea. And if I talk with him and that he thinks, oh, well, maybe it was not like that. So yeah, how do I deal with it? I give everybody a chance. But if it's really gonna start to take personal, attacking my wife, attacking my kid, attacking me, then it's a block and you're gone. Sometimes somebody just need a push, you know, just need a small push in the right direction or some guidance, and it can change somebody's life. So why do I keep helping people? If I take myself as an example, I come from broker than broke, deep in debt, in the homeless shelter, and I also like got an opportunity. I tried, and I could change my life also. So yeah, that's like, it's important to me. Like it's not all about the money. It's also about like building the community, taking care of your people. Because if I just want to make a lot of money, I can just buy subscriptions to professional traders and just go do that all day and don't speak with people. Everybody needs a chance. Everybody sometimes needs some guidance, and we can make sure that, yeah, lives can be changed. I always talk about karma. I say it's good for my karma if I keep helping people. So yeah, transparent, honest, long lasting, and for everybody. I think that would be the words to describe it, because it's not only for marketeers. People can also earn from task. Everything is going to be honest. Everybody's going to go and make a profit. We're going to make sure that there will be no losers left behind, as other projects always have, where the top's only earning or people that recruit are only earning. And transparent, because yeah, we're going to show everything. We're going to make sure that everybody knows what we're doing, how we're doing it, what's it bringing for the community. So yeah, that's going to be fully transparent for everybody, because people can start with a small amount. People can start with no experience. Stay safe, be blessed, and let's keep making magic together.